Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add new font in Canva. Well, the first step is to click on the font. Then, we will make sure that the font we want to add is not here. To add a new font, scroll down. And click on Add Your Brand Fonts in Brand Kit. Here in Fonts, click on Add New. Upload font. And here we should drag the font file we want. I recommend this website called DA Font. Here you have a large catalog of fonts that you can download for free. If you found this guide useful, leave me a like, a subscription, and a comment. Thanks for watching.